Nikuwasitwa kumagaisa mabuyile jone unilele ukuyalukana nakhone baseketeri nabayingiseli bagaza reactors ilesi swin'wana swilo swa manyanga lawa first time oro ero sungula ka channel ya Gaza Reactors yi reactela ka Metrobeatz RSA Metrobeatz lo nung tibaku lo wa le America an ga stive ku ri kuna Metrobeatz gazini and I want ku ri debate se moda njani. I just hope ku adi rape, I just hope ku titisela xgaza to the fullest. Otherwise va seketeri na vayingiseli va Gaza Reactors ibe na video yin'wana yintshwa ya Metrobeatz RSA aku forever wena ku ri music video ya kona official music video mastiva ku hava xixo ntsakisa ku fana na music video ta ka Gaza mastiva ku ka music video ta ka Gaza ni lavi mistake. Otherwise if u vona xikandla lexi ro sungula make sure ku subscribe ka channel ya Gaza Reactors make sure ku ri e vona video leyi until izi fika makumu kumbe xani ta enjoya kumbe xani a yi swi ta swi vona kwalaho mara nga rivali ku subscribe u famba u ya yingisela track ya Metrobeatz a la ta ku Metro booming mo swi va ku tiva metro lo n'wanyana. Otherwise hi nkarhi lowu nga heliki mbilu ni kombela ku nghena ka yona track leyiwani yi reacta ka yona and then ndza mi nyiketa mavonelo ma mina na matitwelo ma mina and then a n'wina mi nga nyiketa mavonelo ma n'wina na matitwelo ma n'wina aka comment section. If u lava ngoma leyi wala ta ya yingisela xapuruhani make sure ku la ka description box link yo yingisela ngoma leyi ta va yi ri kona. Wa swi ndli nga ri loko ben ka wa too much must still cause the effort letiwa ti buy soundproof yin'wana ya matimba ngopfu mara hi nkarhi lowu nga heliki mbilu hi leswo yin god vibe ta love song mos oh yeah forever we share le money ay kungebi aye non fanisa
Look me in the eyes and tell me what you see.
Oh
Zinanguse matihlweni and tell me what you see. Look me in the eyes and tell me what you see. Zinanguse matihlweni and tell me what you see. Banula bangeshi twisisi all this love that I have for you. Shama bela bashi twisisi lady danzoninga na rona for wena. Choose wena matali lava wena matali miri forever wena lava wena matali. Choose wena matali lava wena matali miri forever wena lava wena matali. Sekulo salankari utatama la kaya. Just a matter of time kore itatama shimwe Yesu kakule iyakule aikoma niva shilo shimwe Yesu kakule iyakule aikoma niva shilo shimwe. My darling, look me in the eyes and tell me what you see. Zinanguse matihlweni and and tell me what you see.
Shifanela kubaneke ranti besides go dama shifanela kubaneke
Tell me what you see.
and tell me
what you see. Tina kusema tihlweni and tell me what you see. Banula bangesitwisisi all this love that I have for you. Chama bela basitwisisi lady danzoninga na rona for wena. Choose wena matali lava wena matali maybe forever wena lava wena matali. Choose wena matali lava wena matali maybe forever wena lava wena matali.
She blind, Daman. She blind. From Kaskeli Sha Barin, Kaskeli from 1 to 10, Damanash Gaya, Damanash Gana in it, Daman. Despite it in Goma, the 200 Gaza and Guat, Antittingoma, Sholi Shuman, and TV logo, Shilo Jumela and Gomali, Damanash Gana Bar, Nash Gana in it, Daman out of 10. She blind, the Daman. What? Antash Gana 10, Koba ku amitanzela ngwina ku ngwemna problem na yini na ngoma lewa kuze ngoma lewa yingari na 100 views ini problem yako dama she blind 6.8 why mara menta so mara why dama is talented for the first time kash Gaza or for the first time since sungula ku recorder channel ya Gaza Reactors nifika nikuma something sha different into angari lava n'wana se bafana ngoba dama she blind she different dama no wonder music wa xona unga trend indlela leyo cause ashiyimbelela so leswi va nga sitolovela but she blind dama mus I think menta xiga chance dama since ngwe mga lava ku xiga chance ta xiga chance reacta ka tingoma ta xona tin'wanyana ne Yo, different, super different. Nastiva ku ka tingoma hinkwato mi ta ni kuma khenhla mala so mara na mtlhantlho swin'wana swa mayemo ma swi damani ni fanekele ni xiga chance xi na tingoma tin'wanyani vele xona damani or xi ya ku fika xigazini cause 80 videos. My number one nga ku music video xona wo sungula ne it seems like a music video wa xo sungula ay daman fane ni ngeta chance daman fane ni ngeta chance first of all subscribe ka daman fane ni ngeta chance daman bari Machebele Bongani musician professional known as Metrobeatz RSA is a talented 20-year-old artist from South Africa, specifically from a small village of Kakala in Limpopo, Guyana. His musical journey began at the age of 9, influenced by his brother who introduced him to a modern hip-hop and house music. As an artist, Metrobeatz is discussed by his versatile, effortless, adaptive nafumel. Effortless adaptive to various genres. His initial venture into music industry was as an hip-hop artist, collaborating with notable artists such as Semi Free. However, in light of South African music industry evolution, Metrobeatz has successfully navigated numerous transitions a significant turn point in his career. Xendle na mapiano daman, swin'wana swa ndlolovisa ku hlaya mi, hayi. Otherwise Metro if u vona video leyi n'wana Madine, hayi, as mina ni ku byela amahlweni ka tiko hinkwaro, amahlweni ka ti-TV screen ta vanhu hinkwavo, mfo blind nanti a ni swi tivi if va tshame va ku byela u blind mfo, and ni nga pfumeli munhu a ku tlheriselela ndzhaku, u blind. U nga suki xigazeni, u nga cinci layini ya wena ya romance. A swi bohi ku ri tingoma hinkwato ku fanekele ku biwa mabyala le ku nweni, no, layini leyiwa ya hela n'wana Madi, hi ta ya kule hi lexi.